Rally, fire!
Now look at the intensity.
Observe. Observe. Point.
And Guangdong, for the first time, the engine hasn't warmed up yet.
1-0. Point.
You know, this has the possibility of a bruising encounter for young Tejas Gulati.
Point.
The idea was right, execution was wrong. Tejas Gulati created the opportunity for himself. The net came in the way.
3-0.
Because we know whatever the stakes, Guangdong will approach this game with top intensity.
Point.
Guangdong has made this bread and butter. एक बार किचन तक पहुंच गए तो फिर आप खाना बाहर से मंगा लीजिए, आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.
ब्रेड बटर है ना, लेकिन इस बार वाइड कर दिया है तो पहला अंक मिला है तेजस को. Gong is just as good as he is from the baseline as when he goes up to the kitchen. Oh, that was close. He's hit it long, but he had the right idea.
2-5.
Despite Tejas giving him a better option for open court, cross court, but he went down the line and succeeded, Guangdong.
Side out.
And he'll also
Point.
eke out mistakes like these. That's a great sign.
Point.
This is excellent from Guangdong. Not only does he backtrack, he never loses sight of the ball, also gets into a position where he makes the opposition believe that he's in control.
Yeah, this was an unforced error though. Tejas would have wanted to at least put away that volley. And again, he goes wide. So his just game is a little off. He's been perhaps intimidated by his opponent, but he's just not been able to find his rhythm as yet.
10-2.
As far as the Royals are concerned, if they want to experiment, this is the only time they can do so. 4 days into this league, finding themselves in the top 2 positions, giving Tejas an opportunity so that come the big day, in case somebody even pulls a niggle,
11-2.
everybody's got enough game time to pull it off.
Point.
Oh, just long. That was close too. But, Suhas, remember the curse of the opening match. You win the men's singles, invariably you end up losing the tie, and that's happened so often.
आपने जो आग में घी डाली है, 2 टाइज के अंदर दिल्ली आते ही
13-2.
फिर से वही गलती तेजस द्वारा, वाइड चले गए. वो मिसफायर जो हुआ, हाँ ये गजब का रिटर्न था उनसे, लेकिन इसको कैसे रिटर्न कर पाएंगे? संतुलन उनकी एक और खींच रही थी, गेंद दूसरी ओर.
That is just genius from Guangdong because he has quickly changed position and then still managed to put this away. Perfect. Because he delays his shot till the last second. And he wins this. This one goes wide. As we expected, it could be one-sided, and it's been horrible in terms of Tejas Gulati's baptism by fire. It's 15-2. Guangdong with a literal wipeout.
Time in. 0-0. Game. Rally. Fire. Point.
Well, luck does favor the brave, doesn't it?
Yeah, just seemed to be a little bit of a
1-0.
communication gap. Not quite sure who wanted to go for it. Maybe just getting a little help along with the net.
The interview was fascinating. Where Guangdong's father was quite critical,
2-0.
saying he's been underperforming, not up to expectations. आपकी क्या राय है?
Well, you know as well as I do, Asian dads, you can never please them, can you?
Yeah, well, it's part of the culture, isn't it? We believe Guangdong can do no
3-0.
wrong, but his father has other ideas.
Point.
इनके कल्चर में भी होगा ना शर्मा जी का बेटा कोई ना कोई जो बेहतर कर रहा होगा.
बहुत सारे हैं ऐसे तो.
I'm sure you know, looking at pickleball as well, that there was in the late 80s a Grand Slam winner in men's singles who actually used an underhand service as well.
You're talking about Michael Chang, no? against Ivan Lendl, I remember. He was quite perturbed by it. Almost of a similar age profile, and the kind of behavior Kwon Dong exhibits on court also. He seems pretty relaxed, just like Michael Chang used to be.
And yes, that's got to be the key. In any sport, you have to enjoy yourself. And the team which enjoys itself a bit more tends to do better. Mumbai have gotten a good start here, 5-2. They need to build on this momentum.
और यही तो खासियत आजकल ऑन द गो आप देख सकते हैं पिकलबॉल नाउ के जरिए, यूट्यूब के जरिए,
4-5.
वेव्स ऐप के जरिए.
And this is turning out to be a good match. Because they're matching each other stroke for stroke, now back on level terms. So Hyderabad Royals also fighting it out.
7-9.
Just look at the way he rolls his paddle over the ball to generate that topspin, that little bit of topspin that you can get. And that helps you during dinking as well, Devayan, because you know about the loop. It has a little bit more pace, but because of that roll, it lands where he wants it to.
What a great rally this is.
और अंजाम भी उतना ही दमदार था. Ben Newell with a Benny bomb.
Yeah, and the final shot was so good because he knew the two players were retreating. He always knew that he needed to target it at the feet, and from there Kwon Dong had no chance.
9. Side out.
ये तो
Point.
रिएक्शन टाइम कितना होगा ऐसे रैलीज में? 0.01 seconds.
Absolutely. Some of those action sequences from the
10,
Matrix
8.
come to mind.
It's a game of patience and at the same time power. This is a high quality match. And it sets up match point for the first time for the Mumbai Smashers. Could this be the turning point? They've never reached 14 before this.
14-11.
Another match point for Mumbai and another huge step in terms of the race to the playoffs.
Fire.
फायर की आवाज और ये टॉप स्पिन से सर्व, थर्ड ड्रॉप, आगे चली गई है, सेटअप बनाया है और स्मैश आया, लेकिन फिर भी रिप्लाई तो मिला है, लेकिन काफी देर जो स्पेस मिला, पूरा गैप ओपन था, कोर्ट ओपन था और उसका सही इस्तेमाल.
Typical fudge.
0.
मौका बनाती हैं, फिर दाग देती हैं गेंद को. Down the line वहां पर अच्छा नियंत्रण. इस बार नहीं, फिर से लाइन को चूमती हुई गई है गेंद.
Point.
आगे आई थी, थोड़ा ब्लफ करने की कोशिश, डिसेप्टिव शॉट पे पॉइंट मिलेगा. एलिसन हैरिस रेडी टू सर्व.
2-3.
लॉन्ग सर्व से शुरुआत की है, थर्ड ड्रॉप के बाद आगे बढ़ी. वॉली की कोशिश किचन लाइन पर खड़ी रह के 3 बैक टू बैक वॉलीज अभी तक सर्व की है और उसके बाद ये पॉइंट
Out ball.
एलिसन हैरिस के
It's out ball.
सामने
No, it's out ball.
3 बैक टू बैक वॉलीज और उसके बाद थोड़ा बाहर जाके गिरा मैगन
3, 4, 4. Point.
लॉन्ग सर्व रिप्लाई नहीं दे पाई कोशिश की थी फ्लिक करने की
5,
लेकिन जो
4.
बाउंस है अनइवन उसको समझ नहीं पाई फिर से लॉन्ग सर्व ड्रॉप शॉट पे कोई नहीं जा रहा है दोनों ही बेस लाइन पे खेल रही है रिसेट करने की कोशिश जरूर की थी एलिसन ने लेकिन खुद ही फंस गई जाल में
6, 4.
एंगल भी ढूंढना था और सही ताकत झोंकनी थी। अगर ज्यादा हो जाए तो फिर वैसे कुछ हो जाता है। Alison Harris trying to script a comeback. Comfortable at the moment, Fudge with a 5-point lead. Terrific! Megan Fudge, great in anticipating. Alison Harris got wrong-footed.
कमाल की प्लेसमेंट
11, 5.
यहाँ पे मौका मिले पोजीशन सही समय पर इस बार इनटू द नेट्स एलिसन आज गलतियों पे गलतियां मैगन फच
12, 5.
आज भी डोमिनेशन इनका दिखाई दे रहा है कल शेल्बी के खिलाफ आज एलिसन के खिलाफ थर्ड ड्रॉप करके आगे किचन की तरफ बढ़ी है रिप्लाई नहीं दे पाई यू हैव टू वेट आफ्टर बाउंस टू बॉल टू ड्रॉप डाउन वो वेट नहीं कर पाई पहले ही खेल बैठी
13, 5. Point.
बैकहैंड स्लाइस करने गई थी जा रही थी कि स्लाइस करके ड्रॉप करे लेकिन इनटू द नेट्स
14,
एक पॉइंट दूर है
5.
जीत से मैगन फज आज भी डोमिनेशन दिखाई दिया है कल भी शेल्बी के सामने लगभग इसी अंतर से मुकाबला जीता था एलिसन खुश नहीं ये पॉइंट किसको मिलेगा और ये पॉइंट रेफरी ने फिलहाल मैगन फज को दिया है और मैगन फज की जीत पहली जीत मिलती हुई हैदराबाद रॉयल्स को इस टाइम में
0-0. Game. Rally. Fire.
and the fire call Pearl is ready to serve well there she goes
Point.
Megan covering it for Snehal and a point for her third drop पे आगे बढ़ चुकी है एलिसन Pearl also there Pearl and Harris Pearl was nowhere in the picture she received it and a great volley look at that shot just a flick and a point for her
1.
it's very important when you're at the net your flick is very important because you're just moving your wrist you don't have time to move your hand from the shoulder
Third out. Point.
Yeah, this was better work for the Hyderabad Royals.
2,
Currently at 6
1.
points, so victory here will be quite invaluable for them as well. Virtually sealing a place in the knockout, now in the knockouts.
hand shot rally continues and then a receipt and point goes to Mumbai Pearl Amal Sadiwala her sister Naomi Amal Sadiwala she is also the part of the league it's Snehal Patil from Jalgaon Maharashtra two of the Maharashtra's player and point goes to Megan Fudge this time
हाँ इस बीच एक रोचक मुकाबला बनता हुआ क्योंकि 4-3 यानी
4,
एक ही अंक
3.
का फासला दोनों टीम्स के बीच
Point.
into the nets this time back to back she lost 2 points good on the other side for Snehal
5.
that will help her to
3.
boost her confidence sometimes you don't do anything and that's better Snehal wasn't ready in the position and she lost it
Third out.
she took
Point.
it the mid shot and then she lost it again let's quickly have a
4,
look at what
5.
happened exactly
6, 4.
Yeah, this is the contest because Megan Fetch is going to roll up those points continuously for herself. If Snehal can handle herself, then Hyderabad will come back in a big way into this tie.
Well, देखते देखते 3 पॉइंट की लीड भी ले चुकी है. In the kitchen, आगे आके कोशिश जरूर की थी बैकहैंड से ऊपर
Receiver time out.
टैप करने की.
30 seconds. 10, 7.
A hand shot rally. Good help, but finally point goes to Hyderabad. Megan Fudge moving, marching, I would say.
11,
Yeah, and a good
7.
shot by Snehal to set that point up, enticing the error from Allison.
With that,
Point.
just wanted to push that.
13, 8.
That was a good response though. Clearly rooting for the team in purple, the Hyderabad Royals.
Well, Hyderabad Royals, they're back into the game. Mumbai
14,
won the first
8.
two, and now they are nearing to the second win. Hyderabad Royals. Overhead smash,
Point.
and that's a bash. Alison Harris. Oh, one more point. 14. I was so excited.
Yeah, difficult shot to execute, but she does it so well. Overhead and also finding the angle
9,
perfectly.
14.
Very easy to also mistake that shot and get it out.
Shovel shot. Just going underneath the ball. And spinning on it.
Point.
10-14. Well, just 4 points difference now.
10,
Will they able to
14.
make a good comeback? Will be the comeback of the season. No, it's Hyderabad Royals who are demanding their crown, and that too in a style.
Time in. 0-0. Game. Rally. Fire.
दिव्यांशु के पास स्पीड अप का जवाब था.
वैसे सुनने में आया है कल आपने डोसा पार्टी की प्लान की है.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल. इनविटेशन कॉम्स तक सीमित थी, लेकिन अब पूरे दुनिया को जा चुकी है.
1-0.
It's an open invitation, ladies and gentlemen. Subhas's house. You get dosas and some mulga puri. Meanwhile, सिर्फ मुर्गा पुड़ी है कि सांबर भी है, कर्ड भी है, चटनी भी है.
First of all, well done. First of all, well done with Morga Pudi. Excellent pronunciation. And secondly, I just realized the menu is being decided by Atish.
Great retrieve by Divyanshu. बदला लेना होगा न्यूएल और दिव्यांशु कटारिया को, जो हार मिली. पहली जीत क्वांगडोंग और आमोल की इस पूरी प्रतियोगिता में, लेकिन अभी फिलहाल ये कांटे की टक्कर चल रही है. And this is what you want in the Grand Rally.
Exactly the kind of mistake that he wanted Amol to eke out. Superb reply and great execution.
Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. It's Newtonian physics, ladies and gentlemen. आप जितना तेज मारोगे उतनी तेज ही वापस आएगी.
Guangdong's style of play is such that... Oh, that's a paddle clash. Not of opinions.
Let's change.
Yeah, network error there between Guangdong and Amol. SIM card बदलने की ज़रूरत. Oh, and that's why she's happy.
3,
Megan Fudge, she
2.
knows the importance of this match. She's on court now. Alison Harris has come to join Amol. She's just not getting those touches right today, Alison Harris. Acknowledging her mistake.
5-3.
Terrific, Ernie. And he's claiming the point as well.
It may have been terrific, but it's been given in. Did it kiss the line? Ooh. Kinda did. Eventually, it's been given the other way. Good defense by Snehal. Kept that point alive. Alive and kicking. Megan Futch with the clincher.
Nine, 5.
Double-handed both the times. 3 times in a row. Successfully pushing Fudge and Snehal back to the baseline. Now they advance. Terrific lob.
Player change.
Fudge had it under control all the time. Pearlam Alsadiwala realizing it a little late. Now the switch.
A 5-star rally to get a 5-point lead.
8-11.
A crisp hit would do.
Player change.
अब मेंस डबल्स वापस आ गए हैं क्योंकि 20 पॉइंट पूरे हो चुके हैं। तो अगले 5 पॉइंट न्यूएल और दिव्यांशु एक छोर पर, अमोल क्वांगडोंग दूसरी ओर। Around the world! Full 360 by Ben Newell. पिछले मैच में एक हाईलाइट दिया, इस बार भी मजा आ गया भाई।
After all these hard shots, a simple one.
Paid female player here in the league. The mentality monster, she's been inspirational. That's what she must be saying to her teammates as well. Just out. Amol watched it sail over.
15-16.
क्या दिल्ली, क्या मुंबई. Pickleball is the winner.
Yeah! 16 all. Neck and neck, Daspa. अच्छा संभाला स्पीडक को वहां पर. Successfully pushing the opponents back to the baseline, and it works for Fudge. 2-point lead for Hyderabad Royals.
For a second there, it felt like it might be going out. Just landed before the line.
He did a better return there, and Snehal knows Fudge actually hit that lob to allow more time.
There was quite a bit of time for Snehal. I think she was caught in 2 minds.
What else is in syllabus? Physics की खत्म हो गई है?
मैंने भी ह्यूमैनिटीज ही पढ़ी थी। पर यहाँ पर तो हालात बदल रहे हैं, जज्बात बदल रहे हैं हैदराबाद रॉयल्स। They were staring down the barrel of a defeat, and now they could clinch victory. point. Hyderabad doesn't hide under pressure. They excel under it. Yet another royal performance when they needed it most.